Welcome to a fresh new episode, episode 42. We are entering the flat, and yes, there's a change here today. What you see here in the kitchen area, this is my proposed kitchen sink area. So, the internal plumbing of that area is done. So, these are the updates. Now, this was the proposed washing machine area. So, you can see the plumbing line work also has been completed here. Now moving ahead, in the living room as such, we had done the pocket wall tiling, which was already covered 2 episodes earlier. Rest, it is the ceiling which has been painted. You might be seeing the plastered ceiling. We have painted it. Now here, moving ahead in the common bathroom, we have initiated with the wall tiling. So what you see here, the wall tilings are getting installed. Now, moving ahead again to the most happening area past last 3 episodes is the master bathroom. I mean, the bathroom in the master bedroom. So, Suresh is busy in cutting the tile. We have already seen the wall tiling work here. So, this was covered in the last episode. Today, what we are doing is the rest balance tiling work. So Suresh is busy in cutting this tile near the window frame. So these are the updates of the work happening on site. It's enjoyable for you and for me as well. So do comment in case if you wish to see any particular video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.